I am the God. El Chapo. I am the God. El Chapo. I am the God. You know I get the kilos. 50%. If you are not bilingual, get the fuck up out of town before we run your ass down. Underground, how I came out. Any nigga try to stop me, let it hang out, let it bang, let it rain out. Yo soy el Dios, you are Dios, nigga. I am the God. Get a nigga chopped up on a Tuesday, while the club going up on a Tuesday. This is doomsday, I can have Guadalupe come through and knock Donald Trump out his toupee. Now look at his brains all on the sidewalk, and tuck the 38 and jump on my Skywalker. Woo! I'm rolling. Shotgun, Claudia Ochoa. I am only nigga walking through Sinaloa with the blood red Chuck Taylors on, and you know when I show up, it's a squad full of killer squad full of hit a squad full of niggas that'll pull up, let it bark on a nigga. 106 shots bark on a nigga, street sweeper at the whole block up. Know it's arc on a nigga. Got 2 Glock 9s, 2 4-5s, 2 Desert Eagles, and they fly together side by side. No juego conmigo, tú sabes, amigos, no Tony Montana, mis amigos y kilos, mi casa, su casa, cuidar con el chico, tú quieres la placa, yo tengo perico. Ya te